Hi everybody. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to install the HealAdvisor app, which is not the usual blue dot app or the pink dot app, a place where you can search for any ailments that you have or conditions, and it will tell you which programs are good for you. That is usually a subscription. However, it will be put into the new model starting soon. Now, I'm going to install it because I don't have it installed yet on my phone. Great, so now that it's downloaded, we're going to go and click open. And this is the first note. In order to use all the functions of the HealAdvisor app, you need to use Healy. That's fine. Now, just to be clear, you don't have to pay the subscription just to download the app. You won't get the features that you would get unless you subscribe. However, you can change the intensity of your Healy and you'll be able to improve the connection stability and set the current strength of the level of your Healy. Okay, so now I've put the new information in and the cloud data has been synced. So the information that you put into the email address is the exact same that you have for your Healy back end. It is now being synced. Okay, so now we're on the HealAdvisor app. Okay, start. So normally you would have all of these modules when you are paying a subscription. So you have your animals module, bioenergetic revitalization, digital nutrition, and the IMF programs. So we're going to go into settings and we're going to go to Healy configuration. So now you can check and adjust the current level of your Healy. Low current level for sensitive skin and the high current level for normal skin. If you experience skin irritations, please use a low current level or put a damp cloth under the electrodes. If your Healy is not shown here, it may be linked to another email address. Each Healy is linked to an email address. So we're currently on the top one, and it's now low and high, so you can switch if you want to. Do you want to change the current level of your Healy? I've read and understood the instructions. Continue. This can take an hour to apply. Yes, we are going to confirm that. Okay, that seems to be done. So it's going to take an hour or so to get that confirmed. And now the settings should be high on my Healy. All right, you can also go into the back end of this and have a little look around. You've got training videos. Okay, gives you a bit more information about each one. Digital nutrition, the application pack, and everything else to do with the animal HealAdvisor app. So feel free to have a little look around and find out what's there. All right, thanks so much for listening and talk to you soon.